So if you clicked on this video, you want this discount of 50% on your TradingView account, I'm going to show you step-by-step process how you can get that no matter where, no matter when, and no matter what account you want. You can get the essential, the plus, or the premium, or the ultimate by 50% off. So the very first step that you need to do is to get a new account. I'm not sure if this will work on all the accounts, but to get a new account, just click on the link on the description. You will also get a $15 bonus when you join. So after that, when you create your account, you want to get 1 month free. Basically, that's their offer. They give you 1 month for free. You take that 1 month for free. And after that, 15 days in, you want to cancel that subscription. No need to do anything else. After 15 days, just wait and cancel your subscription. And then after that, wait a few days, a week or 15 days with no subscription and connect back again to your TradingView account. What will that do is that TradingView will offer you to have another month of subscription for $1 only. So this is a first offer that they're going to give you. Take it. Take that offer of $1. Then wait for 15 days. Don't cancel or anything. And what they're going to do, they're going to offer you the 50% discount. So this is the method that I'm using right now to get this amount of discounts on my trading account. And basically what does that mean is that like they think, okay, this guy doesn't want to continue. He already canceled. He already didn't want to continue. So let's give him a 50% off. And they do that basically with almost all accounts. I've tried it and multiple of my friends tried it and it works. And yeah, I hope this video helps you. If you have any question, just let me know in the comments and see you on the next one.